What's going on? If you come across my channel for the first time, this channel is about me documenting my journey to financial freedom. We talk about branding, personal brand, side hustle, the mentality you need to have. So, if you would like to be on this journey with me, hit me up on the gram. I answer every DM. Now let's get it. Mastering the art of DM. Well, first, I want to take you guys back to the earlier days of mankind. Like when writing was cool. Like the Egyptians, they would write these cartoon letters everywhere. They would write it on the wall. They would write it on their tomb. They would write it on your mother. It's crazy. Then it was the telegraph in 1792. Following that, it was the landline created by Thomas Watson and some other dude. Then the 20th century came and everything went nuts. First we had the radio, then we had mobile phones, computer came, and then the greatest thing ever happened to mankind, the internet. Now, why am I telling you all this? The truth is, technology does not change the way we communicate. It just makes it easier for us to communicate, right? In this video will benefit anybody, whether you're a student, a 9 to 5, a 9 to 6, you're an entrepreneur, you're someone that looking for a job, basically anybody. So I want to make this video practical. So I'm going to give you guys a couple examples on what I'm saying. Now I want to share a survey Adam Grant took over 30,000 people from all over the world across different industries. Basically what the survey shows is that all the highest performing people are givers in every industry. And it's very difficult for takers to make it to the top because most of us are matchers. And matchers want to take out takers. Now take a look at the percentage of us are givers. Less than 50%. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living through a time where people are being transactional and conversional based. Like, what is my ROI of being your friend? How could I get the better end of the deal? Guys, if you guys start giving more than you take this year, it will change your life. And I'm talking about giving without expectation that you will get anything in return. Because this is the greatest leverage you can ever deploy in your life. Now, I said I want to make this practical, so let's just pretend that I am applying for a new job, okay? So, let's go on Craigslist. Personal assistant. Oh, and by the way, Craigslist is the best platform for anyone that's looking to start their career or you're looking for a job right away. Highly recommend this platform to anybody. And with this tip that I'm going to show you right now, you're going to be landing interviews left and right. So let's just click on a random listing because to be honest, it don't really matter. Okay. I'm looking for a fashion person and a high energy friendly personal assistant who will grow with my company. Now I can already tell you that this listing is full of shit. If you see a listing that asks for a photo of you, don't do it. It's full of shit. Trust me, I know this platform more than anybody else. But let's just pretend that this listing is not full of shit. First, what you want to do when you look on a job post is read the description, which is pretty obvious. See if it's something that you would like to apply. You know, are you okay with the pay and the travel and the location? Then you want to look for the names, okay? You want to get in contact with these people. Okay, let's pretend that the recruiter put the company's name and the hiring manager's name on this post, on this posting. Now, 99% of the people that's applying jobs on Craigslist, pretty much everywhere, this is what they do. Dear hiring manager, my name is nobody give a fuck. I have a degree. I have a master's degree. I got 10 years of experience on this and this, and I'm the perfect person for this job. Please see my resume under the attachment. That's what most people do. Now you could do that, or you reach out to the company, okay? Either to the manager or their boss, the CEO, whoever you can get a hold of it, okay? The closer the person, the better. Well, before you reach out, you want to study about their company, their culture, you know, and you can find all of this on their social media. Find something that you can bring value to. For example, they might not post often on Facebook. The last post was a week ago, so you can mention that on your email when you write them and say this: hey, my name is this and that. I'm applying for this position in the company, and I see that your Facebook page is not active, and I was wondering if I can take care of that. And also wrote this blog post on how you can grow your Facebook page in 6 steps. I was wondering if you would like to check it out. I'll be happy to send it over. This is my resume and cover letter. Game changing. I've been doing this shit since 06. I used to send out my resume all day. I would send 200, 300 a week, and I would get 0 replies. But once I start doing this, it's game changing. Sometimes it really gets me that how simple this is, but most people choose not to do it. Okay, now let's say you want to work for Gary Vee, or ask him to do you a favor. For example, be on his DailyVee podcast, or ask him for some advice. First, let's go to LinkedIn. Type in Gary Vee. Okay. Now, if you try out what we did on Craigslist, it will not work, because everyone is doing that, right? It's a different game. To get to Gary Vee, you have to be friends with people around him. You know, it's kind of like if you like this girl, you gotta hang out with all her friends to get close to her. We're just switching variables. Now, for those of you that doesn't know, Gary have a personal assistant. This is Tyler, and he's been in Vayner for a couple years. So what you want to do is stalk the shit out of Tyler. Okay? Find out everything you need to know about Tyler and start building a relationship. Find out what he likes. See if you can help him in any other way. He will start to give a fuck about you. And that's when you take the shot. That's all it takes. And you can do this with all of his employees. The more, the better. You can build a relationship with Alan, Samantha, all these people. And the next thing you know, you're going to be sitting on Gary Vee's desk. I don't know how simple I can put this in any other way. My name is Colin. You can catch me on the gram, and I will make this year great for you. On some nights like this, I just wanna